Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fee here, and today we got some new equipment because we're doing this full time, so we got to get our equipment up to here, right? We gotta get our equipment popping. So I went onto Amazon and I found some new lighting. So we're gonna do a little unboxing and see how this junk work out. Come along with me, subscribe to this here channel, give your girl a thumbs up if you like this type of content, and let me know that you're fucking with me, okay? Let me know, all right? From Neewer. This is what it looks like. I'm kind of shook because it's a very small box, but you know, Neewer typically has the good products. Like all my things that I have, like my tripods and all that from them, all in still pretty much good condition. So this is what this looks like. So I got two lights. So this is the first one. That's what this looks like. This is the initial light. And it has this is the power. Then it has the up and down for how high you want the lights. And it's USB charge. So I'm assuming you could plug this into your computer or use a charging box. This is the second one, and plug it into the charging box. This is what this looks like. Same thing for this one. You get your dial, that's the off and on, up and down, charging port. All right, let's get in here. Okay, so they give you different shades for the slide for your light, but I'm pretty sure I'm probably gonna just use the white light anyway because that's the best light. But let's get into this. So obviously you get two each because you get two lights. So it's got red, yellow, and blue. And you know that these colors all make different colors. So if you put them together, you get green. You know, so shout out to them for giving us these extra slides to go with the lights. Heard that? All right, I ain't trying to hold y'all long. So here is the instruction manual. Come on. There you go. Just the way to contact them. Moving right along. Has a little hand. Looks like the one that you would put on your arm to hold it. And here are our tripods. All right, let's, oh wait, what's this? Oh, another tripod? This is a tripod, but it's different. It has a regular, well, closed bottom. This doesn't open up, and so I guess it's not a tripod. Oh, it's probably like a selfie stick. This is more of a selfie stick than a tripod. Look at me getting the words mixed up. Yes, this is more like a selfie stick. So you got a selfie stick. You do get two of them because obviously it's two lights. So you get two selfie sticks and two tripods. So these, I can feel that they have the three legs to make it. Yep. So here's our tripod. But this don't make a lot of sense. Oh, okay. This is why I'm supposed to read the training manual. This is why. Okay, so here's the bottom of our tripod, and then you see the screw at the bottom of the tripod, plus the hole at the bottom of the selfie stick. I'm pretty sure this goes into here. Pretty sure of it. All right, so now we have a complete tripod. And then our bottom piece here, this screw lets me know that this piece, which is the phone holder, that's what this looks like. And then it has the screw at the bottom, right? Yeah, it has the screw at the bottom right there in the middle. And then you would screw this portion into here. Right? And then we'll take our light structure and you screw that into here. Look at me, freestyling, no directions. No, it's really because when you get so many of these, you kind of figure out what goes to what, right? And bam, we got new lighting. Okay, well, let's plug it in to see what it's looking like. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I plugged it in at my little desk area. So this is what it looks like standing up because my desk has a USB power outlet. So this is what it looks like standing up. And then let me turn the light off here so then you can see the light that this gives. So that's pretty good. Let's see what it looks like if it goes up and then down. It's giving pretty good lighting, and that's just one. Okay, so I flipped it to me to see what the lighting is talking about. So this is no light. This is the light on, but dim, all the way dim. So as I turn it up, this is pretty good lighting for just one of them to be turned on. I'm excited because hello back to recording at any time of the day. So I'm usually trying to catch the sunlight so it's not so bad. But look at this. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. This is a quick little unboxing. I did get this from Amazon. I can put the Amazon link in my description if you're trying to get you some too, because these is pretty good. Pretty good. All right, y'all. So let's see if I can wrap up this video. I'm gonna put the other ones together and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what they both look like standing up. Super cute, not really in the way, and I appreciate that. I'll turn them both on really fast, and this is what you get. Mad light. Okay, mad light. All right, y'all, it's been real. This is your girl wrapping up this hair video on these new lights that I just got, because you know we have to upgrade every now and then. You can't be stuck with your same old, just your one ring light. You got to get the whole place lit with the light, the actual light that you want. So I'm happy that I ran across these. The link for these will be in my description. It's been real. It's your girl Fee. Peace.